You know, I was saving this for when I found the diamond.
I'm sorry.
3 years. I thought of nothing except Titanic, but I never got it. I never let it in.
Oh my God.
Jesus!
Don't come any closer. I'll drop it.
You had it the entire time?
The hardest part about being so poor was being so rich. But every time I thought about selling it, I thought of Cal. And somehow, I made it without his help.
Holy shit. Look, Rose, I don't know what to say to a woman who tries to jump off the Titanic when it's not sinking and then jumps back on when it is. I'm dealing with logic here, I know that, but please, think about this for a second.
Oh, I've thought about this for years. And I've come all the way here to put it back where it belongs.
Wait. Just let me hold it in my hand. Please. Just once. My God.
You look for treasure in the wrong place, Mr. Lovett. Only life is priceless, and making each day count.
Jesus, no! That really sucks, lady! Very funny! That's just great! Meanwhile, I'm gonna call my wife. Would you like to dance?